Right, here's the second instalment of the front downpipe Vauxhall Zafira B. This is the Flexi bit that's gone on my car. I've done the first video on it, told you how to check for it and everything. So this is a new unit. Going to install it. It's come with already come with a O2 sensor, downstream O2 sensor, 3 bolts to get off, and a clamp, which we may be able to save, depends how rusty it is. So no further ado, it's a beautiful day out there, let's get on with it. Right, so I've got the car on the car ramps. I've done a video on that, which I'm going to link into the description. Better off putting on here than on a jack. Axle stands, because you might have to do a bit of banging. So I've got the ramps up. Right, so we've got 3 bolts, rusted bolts. Don't know how these are going to come off, but first we're going to do is give them a spray. And then give them a clean and see how they go. Plenty of WD-40. Right, so I've given them a bit of a brush down as well and let them soak for a little bit. So, a big 40mm. Got on bar. Oh, they're pretty easy, to be honest. That's come off pretty easy. Oh, look at that. No heat needed. Might need an extension bar in that. Oh, no. Look at that, all 3 have come off. So there are a lot of reviews that these things will round off, but that's probably more than the Zafira one. So yeah, quite happy with that. So that all 3 of them have been cracked loose. So let's take them off. Right, so we've got the clamp here, so I'm going to give this a bit of a spray. I want to try and save it if I can. And then we'll give it a bit of a zap. I think it's about 16, 17. There you go, it's come off easy enough. Oh. Well, this is in pretty good condition, to be honest. So get a pry bar in there and yank that out. So hopefully I've got an O2 sensor as well, which I'll show you next. And there's the O2 sensor. It's just unclipped. Right, so I've got it out. This bit just slides in. You've got to wiggle it out. Look, plenty of penetrating fluid on it. If it seizes up, you might have to cut it or heat it up. But this one came out with penetrating fluid. Penetrating fluid's your friend. So this is yeah, see, this is the repair we did on it. But yeah, let's get the other one on in the reverse way. Right, before I install it, I've got a gasket. I've got some new bolts. That's the part number, 3 of them. Nice and shiny. Probably best to change your bolts every time. Depends on your budget. They're only about a tenner. That's the flange. Give it a bit of a rub. And the other end, it's got some exhaust liquid on it just to seal the joint, so I'm going to take that off and then put some fresh stuff on it and then get it on. The gasket, there's the cat inside. So you know what, I think that's in good condition. This is the other one I've got. It's an aftermarket jobby. I'm going to reuse this one because it looks all right. I like the clips on it, so I'm going to reuse that one. Clean them threads up, and then reinstall it. I'm going to reinstall it before you know what, it's just the reverse of taking it out really. It's hard to film some of this stuff under the car. So I'm just going to put it in and then I'll show you how to tighten it up. Push it into the female section at the other end where the clamp is. Put a put in there, get some lights on the subject. Put the O2 sensor in. This one's a bit longer than the other one, but I presume it's okay because it's come off, it's in situ and it's come off another car. And then we just put the bolts on. Should go on. Yeah, it's on. That's fine. So yeah, I'm going to zip the other ones on, and then jobs are good. Put the O2 sensor in, seal up the other one. That's it, and that's how to fit. Hopefully this helps you. It's a bit difficult when you're working on your driveway and the ramps, but hopefully I've got enough in there as much as I can just to help you along the way. So I'm going to zip all this together, and jobs are good. Road test it. Jobs are good. Right, just start it up, no engine light. Sounds quite smooth, a lot better than this thing down here. So this is where it failed. Look at that big crack in it. I'm going to do a video on this as well on Flexi pipes, because I know it's a real common problem with some models, especially in GM, Vauxhall and all that, Opel. So I think we'll take it apart and see why it failed. So hopefully this all helps you. Give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It's been a hot day, 31 degrees out here today. Man, it's been difficult working under there and filming at the same time, so hopefully you can get something from it. Thanks for watching.